Number two, in this figure, we know that angle 11 is 62 degrees and angle 14 is 38. You're going to find all the measures in the angle, then tell what postulate or theorem that you use. So the first thing that we do is we should label what angle 11 is and what angle 14 is. Angle 11 is right here, so let's take out that and we write 62 degrees. And then we have 14, we take out 14 here, and we can also write 38 degrees. Okay, once here, you can find it in any order that you want. Notice these lines here are parallel because of that red triangle. So we can say L is parallel to M. Okay, L is parallel to N, right? So let's take a look. So notice here, okay, that these angles 8 we can actually figure out first, because that is because of vertical angles. So this is 62 because of vertical angles. So that was 8. So let's put that in 8's box. So 8 is 62 degrees. And we know this because of vertical angles. Then we also know what 9 is because of vertical angles. Okay, that is also going to be 38. And that is the value of 9. That's the ninth angle, okay? So that is, where is it? Do we have 9 here? No, we don't have 9 here, but that's 38, okay? We can get 5, and the reason we can get 5 is because inside a triangle, it has to add up to 180, okay? So we can do 180 minus 62 minus 38, and that should get us the value inside of that triangle that we're missing. 180 minus 62 minus 38, this is 80, so this can be 80 here. Okay, and once we know that is 80, so that's angle 5, we can say this is equal to 80 degrees, and this is the triangle sum theorem. That inside a triangle, it has to add up to 180. Okay. Then let's see. Okay, we can do some linear pair relationships. Okay, so take a look. This forms a line. Okay, so we know that angle 7 and plus 62 should add up to 180. Angle 7 plus 62 should be add up to 180 because of linear pair. Okay, so angle 7 should be equal to 180 minus 62. That's 118. So let's erase angle 7. Do we have 7 here? Oh, no, we don't have 7 here. But I'm just going to take out 7 here. And that is 118 because of linear pair. Okay. Then we have 12. Okay. Also, that makes a linear pair right here with the 62. Okay. So this is 118. So we can say this is 118 because of linear pair or vertical angles, whichever you want to determine. All right, let's now find on the other side, angle 10. Notice that this forms a straight line. So this is a linear pair relationship. Angle 10 plus 38 is equal to 180 because of linear pair. So 180 minus 38 is 142. So angle 10 is 142. Equals to 142 because of linear pair. We can also get 13 here. This is 142. Okay, we don't have it here, right? Next, notice that we can get 4 and 6. Okay, because 4 is angle 4 and angle 118 are consecutive interior angles because they're in on the inside of the parallel line. So this is going to be because of consecutive interior. Okay, that means that this has to add up to 180. So this is going to be 62 degrees. Okay, and then we know that this also has to be 38. And because that is because of consecutive interior angles. Consecutive interior angles add up to 180. So we can say this is 38 degrees. Okay. We know angle 3 now because angle 3 is going to be the vertical of that. So this is going to be 62 because of vertical angles. And then we have angle 1 is going to be vertical to that 38. 38 degrees because of vertical angles. Okay. So then this makes this 80. And you can say vertical angles or linear pair. You can say this is from vertical angles or linear pair, however you see it. Vertical angles. All right, there you go.